Alright, congratulations for finding this video. It only shows that you care for yourself and for your family na kapag merong hindi inaasahan, may maaasahan ka. You're on your way to being health ready. So stick around. I promise it will be worth your time. I'm Kino Tafalia and I've been in the insurance industry for 7 years now. And I've seen and experienced the many sides of insurance. The good, the bad, and the confusing. But before anything else, let me tell you my personal story. Noong na-diagnose ang lola ko with chronic kidney disease stage 4, ang dami naming pinagdaanan. Dialysis every other day sa isang private hospital dito sa Bacolod City. 50,000 agad, isang linggo pa lang yan. And in just 3 months, we spent 1 million pesos. Hindi lang sa pila kami nahirapan, kundi kung saan kukunin ang pambayad. Buti na lang may tito akong kapitan sa barko. Pero I always ask myself, paano kung wala si tito? Paano kung kami lang? Yung 900,000 na yon, pwede na sana yung dream house, pwede na yung sasakyan, or pwede na pang negosyo that would earn over time. Pero nawala sa isang iglap dahil lang sa isang sakit. That moment changed my life. Doon ko na-realize, insurance is not an expense. It's peace of mind. So what if I tell you may solusyon sa problema namin noon? What if I tell you hindi mo na kailangan mag-ipon ng milyon para lang may health fund ka? What if I tell you that for as low as 60,000 pesos per year, pwede ka nang magkaroon ng 100 million pesos coverage starting at day 1. Would you grab it for your peace of mind? Let me introduce to you AXA Philippines Global Health Access. Covered ka up to 100 million to 175 million pesos per year. Covered ka anywhere in the world, even in the United States of America. From cancer, stroke, dialysis, transplant, ICU, surgery, and more. Even mental health checkups, maternity, dental, optical, lahat yan covered. Family plan, meron din kasama yung spouse mo, yung mga anak mo, and even your parents. May flexible deductible options para makatipid ka din sa premium or mas lesser yung binabayaran mong premium. One of my clients, just this May of 2025, we were hospitalized twice due to infection dahil si client ko was diagnosed with chronic kidney disease and na-infect yung sperm cath niya. First bill namin ay 245,000 pesos. Second bill ay umabot ng 350,000 pesos for a total of 595,000 pesos. Magkano yung binayaran ni client? 80,000 pesos every quarter or just 26,667 pesos and 67 centavos for 1 month. Imagine 595,000 pesos versus 26,000 pesos per month. That's how prepared my client is for the health fund. Covered, paid, peace of mind. Yeah, but I get it. Hindi lahat kaya magbayad ng 60,000 pesos or more per year. That's why we also have healthcare access or our local version of Global Health Access. Yung HCA naman natin, covered ka in over 1,400 hospitals in the Philippines. Up to 5 million annual benefit limit, kasama ang inpatient, emergency, outpatient, and mga check-ups mo. Optional critical illness booster, dental, optical, at ang pinakamaganda dito is meron na siyang life insurance coverage. Yung premium niya, it starts at 2,000 pesos per month, depende sa edad at plan. Pero kung gusto mo ng local comprehensive coverage, HCA or healthcare access is a smart option for you. Now let's talk about the critical illness protection. Did you know that 1 in 3 Filipinos will be diagnosed with a critical illness in their lifetime? And most of the time, wala silang panggastos. Kaya meron tayong critical illness plan. So we have here Health Start. Ideal siya for starters, no? It covers cancer, stroke, and heart attack. May built-in child coverage na din siya and it starts from 1,500 pesos per month. Pwede na itong i-compare or i-joint yung plan natin sa parent or sa parent natin at tayo. No? Health Start joint plan naman yun. Yung Health Max naman, full coverage niya until age 100. So it covers 56 major critical illness plus 18 minor illnesses. Merong life insurance, health fund na din siya, and mental health counseling na libre para sa mga Health Max plan holder natin. So this one starts from 2,500 pesos per month. And meron din tayong Health Max Elite na plan, right? So this is the most advanced critical illness in the market today. No, it covers 150 illnesses and of course up to 9 claims total including ICU and life-saving surgery. Di ba? Napakaganda ng Health Max Elite natin and it covers up to 10 million pesos life insurance and critical illness insurance coverage, right? So this will be best for wealth protection and estate planning. Well, of course, kung talagang tight ang budget mo, pero gusto mo pa rin protection and investment at the same time, then you might want to start with My Life Choice. Yung My Life Choice natin is a VUL plan or Variable Universal Life Insurance. Compact na lahat ng plan mo with just starting with a minimal of 1,500 pesos per month na budget, pwede na. Meron ka ng life insurance, meron ka ng accidental and disability coverage, pwede kang maglagay ng critical illness rider or ibig sabihin nun ay may coverage for your health, and the rest of your money is invested in local or global funds. Diba? Napakaganda ng plan na ito. This plan is actually for mga nagsa-start na magplano ng insurance nila. Right? So, this is a very comprehensive plan. No? And the best part ay pwede kang magsimula for just 2,000 pesos per month. Right? And at least insured ka na, at the same time, nag-iipon din ng money. Again, for VUL plans, ang target natin dito is for long-term na goals. So, pwede siyang pag-education, pwede siyang pag-retirement, but always foresee this for like 15 years to pay or kahit hanggang 60. No? You can pay until age 60 for this one. So, it will gonna have more benefit for you in the long-term goal natin. Lahat tayo mayroong pangarap. Minsan, isang sakit lang, lahat ng pinaghirapan mawawala. Pero kung may protection ka, you can focus on getting better, not getting buried in debt. I've made it my mission to help people be health ready para hindi mo na kailangan pagdaanan ang pinagdaanan namin ng pamilya ko. So now, if you're ready to sit with me for a financial needs analysis, here's your next step. Click the link below to book your free one-on-one consultation with me or a financial needs analysis with me. So let's talk. No pressure, no commitment. Hindi mo kailangan magbayad. My goal is to just assess if you are prepared or not. This is just pure guidance para makita mo kung ano ang pinaka-akma na plan para sa'yo. Because one day, you will gonna thank yourself that you acted early. Katulad na lang ng mga client ko like si Sir Colin and yung aking chemistry high school teacher na nakapag-claim ng 1 million pesos dahil siya ay na-stroke. At kung nakikita mo itong napakagandang solusyon na ito para sa'yo na hindi ka na kailangan mamumroblema pa for your peace of mind, well, book your free financial needs analysis with me so you could be able to learn your options and be health ready. Sa kahit anumang sakit yan, you are covered. Again, I'm Kino Tefalla and I'm here to help. Let me be with you sa lahat ng life stages na pagdadaanan mo sa buhay. Let's protect your future starting